The spirit of resistance and resilience was on full display in Accompong St. Elizabeth Tuesday, despite persistent rainfall and the lingering effects of Hurricane Melissa. As you'll hear in this report, sovereignty and governance were among the topics discussed.
As evening fell over the Maroon town of Accompong, the rains did little to dampen the celebratory mood.
Rain or fall, we still celebrate, we still know who we are. Nothing stops us from knowing who we are.
Drums echoed through the community as residents and visitors gathered in greater numbers for the evening session of the annual Maroon celebration, a marked improvement from the subdued turnout earlier in the day. Among the attendees, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness, Culture Minister Olivia Grange and other government officials.
We are united in our effort to make sure that we leave no one behind.
In a moment heavy with symbolism, Prime Minister Holness addressed the long-standing and often sensitive issue of sovereignty.
All of you here are part of the Jamaican sovereignty. You are part of Jamaica. And you are entitled to the protection, resources of the state of Jamaica. So I stand here as your Prime Minister. I am obligated to you. I report to you. You are the ones who elect and decide on my office. And my job is to report to you as a servant and steward of your resources.
Dr. Holness then invited Maroon Chief Richard Curry to stand beside him as he acknowledged that Maroons hold a unique historical and cultural status and remain an integral part of the Jamaican state.
You also have other forms like community leadership, and the Maroons have for centuries shown this kind of community leadership. It is cultural leadership. I want to go back to what I said before. You are all part of the Jamaican sovereignty.
In response, Chief Curry signalled a willingness to engage. He again pointed to the British Treaty and its importance.
Under the Jamaican umbrella, the Maroons are not distinct outside of the rights and privileges that we maintain today because of that treaty. So yes, as Maroons, we are Jamaicans, we are Jamaican Maroons, but the First Nation Jamaicans, quite distinct from the state Jamaicans. And that is the important understanding that needs to carry, and the documentation and the conversations that need to be had, to then not have to come here to preach more about sovereignty.
In the meantime, Dr. Holness has also committed to continue providing support to those in the community impacted by Hurricane Melissa. Hal Shane Burke, TVJ News.